Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to increase high frequencies in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you want to add more clarity and brightness to your audio, making voices sound crisper or bringing out the sparkle in your music tracks. First, you'll want to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you've launched the software and you're inside your project, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find several workspace tabs. Look for the one labeled Edit and click on it. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the audio manipulation tools you need. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, click on the audio clip you want to adjust. This selects the clip and makes it active for editing. Once your clip is selected, shift your focus to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a panel called Inspector. Go ahead and click on Inspector to open it up. This panel is where all your detailed editing options live. Inside the Inspector panel, you'll notice different tabs, one of them being Audio. Click on the Audio tab to access the audio-specific controls for your selected clip. Within the audio settings, you'll find an option called Equalizer. This is the tool that allows you to shape and adjust the frequencies in your audio. Enable the equalizer by clicking on it or toggling it on. Once activated, you'll see several frequency bands appear that you can manipulate to sculpt your sound exactly how you want it. To increase the high frequencies, you need to work with the last band, which in this example is labeled B6. This band controls the highest frequency range in your audio. You'll notice a drop-down menu right underneath B6. Click on that drop-down and change the shape to one that allows you to adjust the frequency up and down. This gives you full control over how much you want to boost those high frequencies. Now comes the fun part. Look at the graph display where you can see all your frequency bands visualized. Find the point labeled 6 on the graph, which represents your B6 band. Click and drag this point upward. As you move it up, you're increasing the gain of the high frequencies, which will make your audio sound brighter and more defined. You can adjust this as much or as little as you need, depending on how pronounced you want those highs to be. And that's it. You've successfully increased the high frequencies in your audio clip, giving it that extra clarity and polish it needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.